It is a beautiful spring day here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm really excited because today we are going to be touring an amazing mega mansion here in Buckhead, Georgia. This is a huge house at 9,700 square feet, and it sits on an acre lot, and this lot is gorgeous. As you can see, it just has tons of beautiful trees and privacy, and it's a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 2 half baths, and on top of that, it is my favorite design. It's a European design. It has the white painted brick, the beautiful windows, the cedar shake roof, and all the gas lanterns. It even has a beautiful pool in the back that we're going to check out. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at it, and let me know what you think in the comments. This one-of-a-kind, brand new construction home is located in the heart of Buckhead and is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac on a 1-acre lot. Enter through the beautiful metal front door into a grand arched foyer, which is flanked on either side by a formal dining room and study. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. The beautiful chef's kitchen features a large center island, an oversized range hood, high-end appliances, a walk-in wine cellar, and a breakfast nook overlooking the in-ground pool. Adjacent to the breakfast nook is a large scullery with plenty of cabinetry, a sink, a refrigerator, and a full prep area. The kitchen overlooks a fireside living room and has iron doors leading to the covered patio, complete with a grill, a fireplace, and TV area. The primary suite is located on the main level, boasting tall, curved ceilings and a beautiful view of the pool. If you're interested in this beautiful home or just need help navigating the Atlanta market, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description of this video. second level has 4 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom, as well as a flex space that would be perfect as an au pair suite or an in-law suite. This house has a full finished basement, complete with bedroom, full bathroom, and plenty of space for a theater or a gym. So what did you think? I loved it. Can you see yourself living here? I think I could. I think I could make it work. I mean, obviously this house is amazing and I loved everything about it. On top of the off the charts curb appeal that it has, I loved the interior. It's just white and light and open. And this is my favorite right here, these massive windows with a door in it overlooking the pool and the outdoor living area and the kitchen with the big hood, and this island is so nice. And I also liked the au pair quarters. It was massive. I mean, you just kept going and it had its own separate staircase. I loved that. But anyway, this house is for sale. So if you are interested or know anybody who is interested, please contact me. I'd love to arrange for a private showing. And also, if you love viewing model homes and custom luxury homes as much as I do, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be touring the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. But until next time, thank you for watching. Bye now.